Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing y'all how to make a skirt. This is the fabric that I use. Well, I'm going to use because I didn't sort it. I got it from Walmart. I think it was like $10, probably like $6, $5, $6, $10, $10 max. But yeah, 2 yards, and I'm pretty sure, like 100% sure that I can use all of this for my girls' skirts. So yeah, I took 2 measurements. The first measurement that I took was around their waist. Was around their waist because that's where the waistband or elastic is going to be. And then the second measurement is from the waist to wherever I want it to stop at. So first one around the waist or waist circumference, and then the second one is the skirt length. And you'll also need obviously a sewing machine and elastic and fabric. I think that's it. First one that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do Chloe first since she's smaller. Her waist is 21 inches, and we're just gonna multiply her waist divided by, or her waist times 2. Chloe's waist is 21 inches. I'm just gonna double it, so 21 times 2 is 42. So we're gonna go to 42. I'm using the yardstick because I feel like it'll be easier that way. So this is already 36 inches. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Her waist, 42 inches. So that was already yardstick, so 36, and then we'll just add 6 inches. Wait. So we have the 42 inches here, and then I'm gonna just add 1 inch seam allowance just because, like, just to be on the safe side. Now we're gonna go down to our length, and I want hers to be 10 inches. We're gonna go from here, we're gonna go down 10 inches. 10 inches right here. And then we know the elastic is 1 inch, so we're gonna add at least 1.5 inches for the elastic. Then for our hem, so we're just gonna go from 11.5 to 12.5. Let's just make it 13, just to be on the safe side. So this is 43 by 13. And now we're just gonna cut this rectangle out. This is what I have for Chloe's. Now I'm gonna do Blair's, and then I'll go to the next step. I have Blair's and Chloe's. Now it's time to hem the bottom first. First I'm gonna hem the bottom, then we'll go to the next step. Now I'm about to hem the bottom. I don't really care which one is which because I feel like either way it's gonna look kind of slow. And all I'm doing, because it's just the kid, it's just my girl, so I'm not about to urge this, then hem it. No, I'm gonna just flip it and you should see the raw edges. That's fine because it's just my girls. I'm gonna just fold it so it can. I think this is good. Let me see. Yeah, I think this is good. So that's what I'm gonna do. This thick, hopefully it stays the same. Let's see. And then back stitch. And I'm gonna just keep folding it, and that's literally it. That's Chloe with all that loud noise in the back. I'm done hemming the bottom. It's not like a raw edge. Now I'm gonna do basically the same thing on the top, but I'm gonna leave like, I'm gonna do like 1.5 inches because the elastic is 1 inch, so I need like maybe like 1.25 to be honest. I'll measure it first. That's all right. Perfect. I'm just going to do this and then back stitch like always. All right, y'all see what I'm doing. Time to get the elastic. Blair's waist was 23 inches, but I cut it down to 22 inches so it can like fit snug. So it probably ended up being like probably like 21.5 inches to be honest, but it's okay. I was just saying, don't pull it while you're measuring it. Just do it like regular, smooth. Don't pull the elastic. Get 2 safety pins. I like to get 2 big safety pins. 1 safety pin to feed it through, and then the other safety pin to like keep its place so it doesn't like go in the tunnel or channel. Right here, I'm just cutting the extra threads, and then now I'm just gonna feed the elastic through the channel that I sewn. how it looks when the elastic is fed through the channel. I was trying to trust the process because I was like, this looks super weird. So that's when I realized I needed to multiply it times 3, not 2, because she's like bigger, so I should have did 3, at least 3. Now I'm just gonna sew the elastic, and I'm gonna place one on top of each other and sew it, and then y'all see the next clip. This is what it looks like with the elastic sewn shut or sewn together. I actually said it in this clip. I was like, oh gosh, I should have multiplied it times 3 because I didn't like how full it did not look. It didn't look as full as I wanted, but whatever. So turn it inside out, and then we're just going to sew a straight line. Make sure pretty sides always touch. Remember, pretty sides always touch when you're getting ready to sew, so you don't see the seams. So yeah, you're going to sew the elastic, which is fine. So you just sew a straight stitch, and that's basically it. So that's actually it, y'all. I hope you guys like this video. It was pretty quick, pretty simple. I want to make them a lot of skirts. So yeah, bye guys.